So today we're in a 2013 Subaru Forester. The owner took it to the Subaru dealer and they said that it needed front ball joints and control arm bushing. I asked her what was going on and she said that she hears like a noise when she accelerates. I haven't driven it yet, so we're gonna drive it and then we'll get it inside and we'll see maybe what's going on, if that's an accurate diagnosis or if there's something more or maybe something less. She said it only happened during acceleration. So it doesn't seem to have a big problem with the alignment part of it. And this road is actually pretty bumpy. Let's see. I'm not sure. We're going along about 60 now. I don't hear any wacky noises. Let's see. No. I wonder how hard. I hate to. Let's see. Let's turn real hard. It's Monday morning. Let's see. I'd rather not accelerate, you know. It actually, for 95,000 miles, it drives pretty dang good. Huh. I don't know. Let's get it back on the road here. It does. Let's see. So that's me letting go of the wheel. And it doesn't do too bad as far as the alignment's concerned. Well, I don't know. She made it. It sounded to me like this was a really big problem. She was really concerned, which is okay. It's all right to be concerned with a vehicle that you know that you've had and that you know all the sounds of. We're pulling it inside now. All right, so nothing seemed weird. I'm gonna text her and just double check the information that she gave me yesterday, that it was during acceleration, and then we'll get it up in the air and we'll check out the ball joints and the control arm bushings, because right now I don't feel anything wrong with the vehicle. All right, so here we are in the Subaru, and I think I found the issue, and it's not even close to what the Subaru dealer said it was. I'm really confused how a dealer tech, I'm not crapping on anybody, but I'm really confused on how our dealer tech came to ball joints and control arm bushings with the noise that she was hearing. I texted her and she said it was like a rattling kind of noise. I think I found it. Check it out. The tie rod seems okay. I can feel that I'm moving the whole assembly. So I've just got my jack handle under here. The ball joint seems good. I'm not getting any movement in the ball joint. Now, I didn't text her for any more specifics until after. So the boot's not torn on the ball joint. That doesn't necessarily mean that it's not bad. Everything with the control arm seemed okay. The sway bar end links seem okay. The tie rods are good. And then I looked right here. Check this out. This is when I texted her a second time and I said, describe the noise for me. She said it was a rattling noise. Well, I mean, this would certainly rattle. I don't know how we got from a simple exhaust heat shield to control arms and ball joints. Yeah, I don't know about that. And as much as I like to make money and service people's vehicles, I have to sleep at night. So once I found that, I texted her and said, can you describe the noise for me? And she said it was kind of a rattling, tinny kind of sound. Well, I mean, you saw the exhaust heat shield. So I think, and the car drives nice. You saw me drive it. So I think we put a new clamp on this and we let her drive it and see what she thinks. But I bet that's it. And this might be a really good example of why techs, shops, dealers get a bad rap. It's disturbing to me. I think they were going to charge her somewhere around like $2,000. And if they hadn't have addressed that heat shield, she would have had the same exact noise. And this is a young person who, you know, she relies on this vehicle to get back and forth to work. And I don't know why they couldn't have just put a clamp on it. And I realize that a hose clamp on there probably isn't the forever fix. It was probably tacked to the exhaust at one point and that weld broke loose and now it's rattling. I'm really disturbed. I honestly don't know how they came to the conclusion of ball joints and control arm bushings. It drives nice. I'm gonna check the tire pressure. It looks like this tire might be a little bit low. We've got to give everybody the benefit of the doubt. Maybe there was some confusion and there was another Forester and the communication got mixed up. Maybe the other guy needed control arms and ball joints and they quoted him as needing these exhaust repaired, and maybe those two, I don't know how anybody could have came to the conclusion with an, if she described the noise to him and they put it on a lift or looked under it. I'm just so disturbed. How often in a day all around the country do things like this go on? And I'm trying to give the dealership and everyone that inspected it the benefit of the doubt, but it's really difficult. So let's get the exhaust fixed and I'll try to quit thinking about it, and then we'll let her know where we're at. And hopefully, I'm sorry about the turkeys. These dang turkeys, anytime the door is open, man, they gotta come in here and make noise. I'm gonna chase them out of here. So I didn't even have to cut the clamp off. It just fell apart as soon as I grabbed it. It's all rusted. Trash. So we'll throw that away. We'll put a new clamp on. So we're back in the Subaru. We've got the exhaust clamp back down. We'll take it for a little spin, make sure everything's okay. Trying not to hit nothing in the yard. Although I would like to run over some of these birds. They're my own birds, they're not wild birds. I mean, they're not even, yeah. All right, so let's see. Get her going down the road again. I don't know, everything seems good. Except that wind coming in. I don't know what that's about, but look at how tall that corn is. We got a bunch of rain, it shot up. I bet it grew 2 feet in about a week. So I don't hear any rattles. Nothing weird's going on with it. So we'll just drive it here and make sure it's okay. And we'll let her know if she's into it. $0. Glad we could help. Sucks about the dealer. Yeah, I don't feel anything weird as far as control arms, ball joints. It didn't feel weird when I was checking it in the garage. For 95,000 miles, 2013, it's 10 years old. Like, it does pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. And I'm not even a big Subaru fan. So there you go, a hose clamp. instead of control arms, ball joints, and bushings. Crazy. Thanks for watching.